Aloha, everybody. Want to tell you folks all about a special event going on this Friday. Please join us for an exciting Friday night live jam charity show for Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children right here in Honolulu, Hawaii. The live show will be broadcasted from Maddie Wongi's Twitch channel. Just go to www.twitch.tv/Matty Wongi. I'm going to have the link down below, but you can also see it below here, right down below here. It will be showing the Twitch link, and also to search for Friday Night Live Jams on YouTube and on Facebook to find it, or I'll have the links down below. You can watch this, so you can watch this on Facebook and on YouTube. It's not just on Twitch. And this live charity show will be featuring the one and only legend Henry Kapono. And he's from Hawaii. He's from CNK. He's the K from CNK, Kapono. We will also have Laura Joy from Arizona Phoenix, Kat Jones from Nashville, Tennessee, Kat McDowell from Los Angeles, California, Memory Lane from Dubai, UAE, and Zachary Allen from Aiea, Hawaii. This charity show is on Friday, May 14, 2021 at 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. And it will go till 9:30 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. I also heard that Wayne and Maddie Wongi will be performing as well. Wayne 808 Music is very much a part of the structure of putting together this thing. So please show Wayne the support by supporting Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children. Because he feels very strongly about this charity event, as his children have gone here for different special reasons, and a lot of us have been born here at Kapiolani Medical Center. So it's an awesome place to for this charity stream to be supporting. It's awesome. So anyways, I will definitely be there, and I hope to see you all there. Come enjoy the free live music performances and support Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children by making a donation. If you can't make a donation, it's all good. Just come and enjoy this live online charity stream. All donations will go to help Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children, which specializes again in women and children. Very important in women and children healthcare. I was born there again, like I said, and so was Austin, and a lot of other people were born there. So please join in this Friday for Friday Night Live Jams for this special charity event, 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time to 9:30 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. I hope to see you guys there. I will be watching from all three, from YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. So I hope to see folks there. Please make a comment if you guys are watching, and make a donation if you can.
Hello, everyone. My name is Matt.
I'm Kenny.
And I'm Wayne.
And we're Friday Night Live Jams.
Hey, it's our show's 1-year anniversary, and to celebrate, we're doing a charity fundraiser show for the Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children. All of the funds raised will go directly to Kapiolani and will help fund life-saving services, advanced equipment and technology, emotional support services, and so much more.
We're going to be sharing inspirational stories of brave children and their families, and we have incredible musicians and friends that have donated their time and talent to help us make a difference.
I still feel you here in the air I breathe. Say that you love me.
I love you.
So we'd love for you all to be part of the show. Come and hang out with friends, enjoy great music, and partake in fun games to be a positive difference in lives that could truly use your support. We hope to see you on Friday, May 14th at the times and platforms listed below. Aloha.
Aloha.